it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and the one thing, well, there are several things I love about ordering diamond paintings and diamond painting accessories from Amazon is that you get them, if you have Prime, within 2 to 3 days, so you don't forget what you ordered. I'm so excited to open this because I actually know what's in here versus forgetting what I ordered. So here we go. I specifically, got this because I knew I wanted to do a giveaway. And these are great giveaway prizes. And so that's why I ordered this. This comes from Santa Crafts. You might have seen my horse unboxing a few minutes ago, or you may be watching these in reverse. But this is a 4-pack. What I love about the 4-packs is they're snack sizes, 30 by 40, 12 by 16 inch. You get 4 of them. Now this one is $16.99. But they currently have a coupon for 5% off if you order it right now. I'll put the link down below. I can't guarantee how long that coupon is good for, but please check them out. These 4-packs are really nice for you if you're starting out, if you want a snack while you're watching a movie or in a different area of the house. Sometimes I have these in my bedroom. So if I'm not feeling it, or my husband, wants to go to bed early and wants me there versus at my craft table, then I have these. Love them. And Santa Crafts is the current name. Also, what I like about this company is they are public images. So you do not have to worry about images being stolen or licensed work being misrepresented. And when you guys support me, these are the kinds of things I purchase or order so that I can give back to you. So thank you so much for your membership. Thank you for being there and watching me on Friday nights. I absolutely love it. So let's dive in. Here is you get a tray, a single placer. There is a small square of wax hiding under the baggies. It's poured glue. Look at the symbol quality. I mean, let's see, $17 plus tax. Let's just round it to 20 for easy math. These end up being $5 a piece. Oh my goodness. And then if you're a fast diamond painter, this may give you, 4 to 6 hours. If you're not a fast, 12 to 15 hours worth of fun. If you divide all of that into $5, oh my goodness. So this is the summer version of the 4 Seasons pack. This is really cute. You've got your sea back here. You've got your anchor. You have your starfish. It's beautiful. Love it. It's got 30 colors for a snack size. That's a lot of colors. I'm going to show you the colors real quickly. I do like that they started putting DMC on all of these. They started standardizing their keys, which is really nice. Mostly numbers and letters. There are a couple symbols. So here, I don't know, I've never seen these packaged quite like this before. But they do have really nice drills. They're round. They do not have the DMC on here, but you can match up. This is 27, this is 26, and then you can match it up here and label it by DMC if you would like. These do not come with inventory sheets. A little tip I normally do is make a copy of the side on my copier, or you can take a photo and send the photo to the copier if you want to make labels, or if you don't need 2 keys on a small snack size, you could trim this off if you wanted and actually use the canvas and tape it on with Scotch tape. Completely up to you. As normal, Charlie has his email address up here. They vouch for putting 20% extra drills in. It's just a nice little piece. For $5, not bad at all. They have really good customer service as well. So if you have any questions, you can contact them. So this one, I think, I don't know, this one you might consider the spring one. On these seasoned ones that they have like a little bit outside the box thinking, sometimes I don't understand what's what. This is a mountain scene. It's 33 colors. Looks like a mountain on a lake. It's not too bad. I think it's lacking a little bit of detail for it being a mountain on a lake. I think they could have picked another image. I think I like the other three better. I do love the colors though. The colors are beautiful. This is my color palette. I'm more of an aqua girl. And so they have some beautiful aqua colors hiding in there. It's just my go-to. I love this color. What number is that? That's number 31. Yep, 3844, 3845, 3846. Another nice thing, if you get these and you're not a huge fan of some of the paintings they send, you can always use it to build your drills up, right? For $5. I mean, you're getting really good quality drills. You can build your colors up if you want for $5. But yes, I purchased these to give away for you. So I hope you guys like them, because they'll be in upcoming giveaways. This is the winter one. Who doesn't love a good snowman? And I think this actually is a really good snowman. Oh. Be very careful, because in the packing, this got taken off the glue. So we want to make sure this gets back on the glue nice and pretty so it doesn't damage. All right, you can see here the drill areas nice and clear. The symbols are letters and numbers. There's a couple symbols on the key, but this is Mr. and Mrs. Snowman in their little birdhouse. Again, you get the tray and the wax, and just the normal colors you're used to seeing, the grays, the whites, the reds. I like the snowmen. There's just something about snowmen. I remember we always go through patterns, right, of what's in and what's not in. I know right now, like, gnomes are in, snowflakes are in. I'll put that in later. But I know one year snowmen were really in big, Santas were in big, some years penguins are in big. I love penguins. I need to get with is it Pentastic? I need to get with them and see if they'll make me a what do you call it, a penguin pen. Kara, if you're listening and you wanted to ask them, I would buy that in a heartbeat. All right, so here's the fall version. How beautiful is that? With those trees and that bridge, the foliage. There's a lot of color blocking, but then also some confetti. Color blocking is when there's certain symbols all in one area. Confetti is when there's a lot of symbols in one area. Really nicely done. You got all your fall yellows. And like I said, these season packs, if you start them and you're like, I'm not feeling it, these seasons packs gives you a wide variety of DMC colors that you can really expand your extras. Yes, I wanted to show you Standard Crafts. You guys might know them as Standard Direct, Home Craftology, And they're really known for these 4-season packs. They have a multitude of styles, and I love to get them because they're under $20. And then you get, you know, for less than $5 each, a wonderful snack size. And I hope to give these away to show my gratitude towards you guys and all that you do. But check them out. They've got some amazing work out there. You know, they're $5 snack pieces. Great job, Charles. Keep up the good work. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Love ya. Bye-bye.